Guys, so as you can see, my wiper blade is broken, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this and fix it. Came out just like that. I'm using this just to protect the glass. Right now I'll show you how I fix my wiper blade. As you can see, there are so many types of wiper blades here, but I wanna fix this one which was in my car. Always get the better brand for your car, but today you'll see something different. So I purchased this from Amazon. I paid around $8. This is the product from China, and there are two of these rubbers in here. Okay, I just thought I should be creative this time. This is around 26 inches or more. Okay, so let's just make it. Okay, so let's forget this 3 here, and this is what I have on my hand. As you can see, I can just glue it and use it, but I don't want to use it like that. So what I can do, I'll just remove these and put this one. And before that, I want to make sure I have the correct amount. I'll just cut it. Okay, so I have the exact measurement right now, and I can get 2 from this piece, which is cool. So now I'll remove this part and see if I can use it. So guys, I'll just separate this from here, one side, then I can access the whole thing out like that. Leave it right here, and now I should be able to open this like 2 parts. Okay, and this is the bad one. Let's just leave it. And I have 2 parts here. I believe you guys can see it now. And let's put it on my new one. Just to be creative. You don't have to do it, it's just cheap, but I'm just showing that you can if you want. You can save a lot of money too. Okay, it's good. Now I'll put it in. Just come a little reverse and make sure the rubber stays in. And this is my first time doing it, so I kind of like this process, and I believe it's not too hard. as you can see. Yeah, and this wiper is ready to go. It's not coming. So what do you think? Is it a good idea or bad idea? And all of these I can use 8 times, or for the longer ones, just to be getting smart. Now I'll put the wiper back, push it all the way in, twist it, and it's ready to clean. Thank you so much. I hope you guys learned something new. Please like, share and subscribe.